Okay. So we are clear for takeoff. Can you help me with the checklist, please?
All right,
Before
absolutely.
takeoff checklist, please.
All right. Over on this side. FMC departure, pre-flight, APU, before start, and before takeoff checklist. So here we go. Auto brake.
Auto brake is RTO check.
Yeah, all right. And then flight controls.
Flight controls are check.
Sure. Should I do a nice tug?
Yeah, you can try again. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. You like it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Auto throttle.
Auto throttle is arm now.
All right, good. Next up, V speeds.
V speeds. We have the V speed set, 172 V2 set.
All right. Flaps.
The flaps are set, indicating 5 and green light.
And green 5 and green light. Stab trim.
Staff trim units 5.81, and we have. That's too high. Okay, trim set.
All right, and then transponder.
Transponder on TARA set 1412.
1412. All right. Is it dark in here?
Yes, too dark, I know, but
Yeah.
anyway,
All
it
right.
is what it is.
All
Oh,
right.
but well, it's dark because you have your sunglasses on. But
Well,
are you new?
yeah, just a little bit, but no, I'm just really hungover today.
Oh,
All right.
okay, yeah, me
All
too.
right.
Okay, I understand. Okay, let's go.
All right. So, right, yeah, let's give her vroom time.
Power for takeoff set.
Power set. Yep. All right.
Okay, airspeed is alive. We have 60 knots.
All right. Let's see. 60.
80 knots. Check. Cross check.
Check.
100 knots.
Check.
B1.
Rotate.
Are you taking the controls or I have the controls?
I'm just making sure I'm nearby in case something happens.
Okay. Okay.
All right. There we go. There we go. Okay. Positive brakes.
Okay, yours up, please.
You're up. Now let's hold, having some ruts, and speed hold.
We're going to climb to 10,000, okay?
10,000, no problem. All right.
Oh, we have an engine failure.
Oh, engine
Left
failure.
engine failure number 2.
Left engine has failed. Do you want to turn off number 2?
Maybe not. Well, sounds smart, but no. Let's leave it on. No, we need it.
Leave them on? All
Yeah,
right.
leave it on. And I need you to disengage the auto throttle. Please turn on the APU
APU's coming on.
so we can get some power in case the other one failure.
All right, I feel like Captain Sully here, turning on the APU.
Thank you so much. Can you please give me a heading 220 to the right?
220.
Cold tower and say that we have a failure, please.
All right, Mayday, Hong Kong Tower. This is AFS 123. We've had a bit of an oopsie up here. We're down to 1 engine out of 2. We're gonna need to land right away.
I need you to sound scared because
Scared?
they don't going to pay attention. So
All right.
try again.
Hong Kong Tower, this is AFS 123.
Yes.
I'm just like not vibing over here. I'm having like a really bad day. Gonna need an approach like immediately. How's that? Better?
Better. Yes.
Better.
Please put the landing gear off.
Landing gear off.
Auto brake off.
Auto brake is off.
Okay, after takeoff checklist.
For takeoff checklists. There we go. Engine bleeds are on. Packs are in auto. Landing gear is up and off. Then auto brakes are off. And flaps should be up. Do you want the flaps up here?
And speed check, not yet.
Not yet.
No, we have very low speed.
All right.
Please give me heading 270.
270. So when do we turn off the right engine?
No, let's leave it on because we need that engine. It's the only one that we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So we turn it off so it doesn't fail, right?
No. Well, that sounds smart, but no.
No. Okay.
No.
Well, because if it fails right now, we're in trouble.
Yes, it's true, but no, I think we need it.
Okay.
Can you help me with the after takeoff check? Is done at the after takeoff
The
checklist?
takeoff checklist has been complete.
Okay, thank you.
It was either this flight or the last flight that I did the after takeoff checklist. So one of the two.
But I need you in this
I
flight.
did it at least once. Don't worry. It's
At least once today,
at least once today.
and in this aircraft.
I think it was this aircraft.
Okay, I have this done.
All right, good. Let's see out here. Airports.
So the runway where we take off was the 13. So I
Okay.
need you to set the heading 330 in this case.
30.
Yes. Do you have visual of the runway or not?
I'll be honest. I can't see anything outside right now.
Okay. Everybody, please give me heading 030, please.
030. All right. Do we have an engine failure checklist somewhere? Oh, it's an engine fire.
No, we don't have any failure here, but in the back of your seat we have the manual if you want to take a look.
That's okay. I believe
That's
you.
it, you don't want to read. Okay, I understand.
It's too much reading for me, man. I just fly that thing. Actually, I just watched a new fly the thing.
Okay. I hope you learned something today. Please, can you give me flaps 10?
Flaps 10.
Yes. And let me know when you get a visual of the runway, okay?
Okay.
Set flap, speed, auto brake 3, please.
Auto brake 3.
Nothing yet?
Oh wow. Nope. Gotta be honest here, I can really barely see a thing.
Okay, you need reference page and please set the everything for landing. Set flaps 30 for landing
Flaps 30.
and let me know the reference speed, please.
Reference speed is 158. Want me to set it up here?
Yes, but please set 168.
168.
Flaps 30.
Flaps 30.
Landing gear lever down.
And you're down. Man, who upset the cat?
You see the runway?
1,000.
Potentially.
Or nothing?
I see pretty much nothing.
1,000.
Okay, so I need you to take the iPad and get any reference, any VOR or something. Any VOR, alright?
Yeah. That's fine, I promise. I'll be back really quickly.
No, please, I
Alright.
need you.
So, VHHX.
Yes. You sure you didn't saw the runway? I was pretty sure it was on your side. It's because
Oh.
I cannot turn to my side, so that's
Oh,
why
I
I'm
was
asking
looking
you.
on your side.
No. I cannot turn to the left, that's why I'm asking you.
Okay. Man, how many pounds does it take to land this thing?
Well, it's because we have an engine failure, that's why.
That does make it tougher.
Yeah, a little bit.
So, Xiao 112.30.
Okay, set that one, please.
Alright,
Okay, I'm going to land in the opposite runway, so I need you to set the heading 300 maybe.
300.
Yes, please. Oh, we have to update this.
Oh, there it is.
1,000.
Found it.
Okay. Oh, but are
What?
you going to land here?
No?
No.
Yeah.
I think
No,
it's
of course not.
noise.
Yeah, I know, right? I was just testing you.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yes.
This is so Hong Kong Tower. This is AFS 123. Overhead left-hand brake.
More power. I need you to go. Try to avoid turnings to the left, okay?
Try to avoid turning to the left. Oh, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Only right-hand turns.
Yes.
All right,
If possible.
if possible.
Okay.
Right,
Yes.
so which runway are we landing on? 13?
Yes, we are going to land 13. Yes, sir.
Okay. Awesome.
All right.
I'm just gonna get some distance, or
Yes. Let's go to the left. I have just 10 degrees of bank, so you can go to the left.
10 degrees.
Just 10 degrees.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's still very good.
I got this really good plan for how to avoid like any differential thrust issues on approach. It's coming really steep with the engines off. Right?
For now, try to don't crash with that.
Try to don't crash.
with the with the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we can talk about all of that.
All right. Attention passengers, if you take a look over to the right, you're going to see a nice little bridge down there that we are totally not going to crash into. Thank you for flying Altitude Flight Simulation. All right. And level out here. I'll keep turning.
No, keep turning.
Keep turning.
And you are able to see the runway right there. Keep turning because here in front of you there is a mountain
Oh, I don't
that
like that.
yes, that I
Definitely
need to
don't
get
like that.
rid. Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah, no, you warned me about the bridge, but I think the mountain was the higher priority there.
Yeah.
Keep going. Ooh.
Okay.
There's two. All right, doing on the left. Clear?
Yeah.
Can I go to the right?
Yes. Do you see the runway?
Yeah, but I need to
Okay.
come left for line up at some point.
Not yet. Yes, now you can.
To the left there.
Yeah.
Just about 10 degrees there. And keep descending. Oh, nice. The approach lights are even curved.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
that's
never
nice.
seen that?
I've never seen that.
Oh, that's so bad.
Okay, they don't want to say anything, but it's my first day, okay?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Alright, should we continue slowing down?
1,000.
30?
Not yet, because in case of Japanese approach. Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Nose down.
Nose down.
Sink rate.
Perfect.
Sink rate. Sink rate.
Hey, you got it. You got it.
I got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
100.
Yes,
Approaching
okay.
minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay. Oh, it's not reverse because we have an engine
Reverse.
failure.
All right.
It's brakes. Engine failure, not reverse.
Ooh.
Hey, you good? You good?
I'm great. I'm the
Yeah.
best.
Not the best, but you
Oh,
did
okay.
good.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks.
And I am going to report you, okay?
You're gonna report me.
Yeah.
It's not my fault we lost an engine, and I didn't turn off the second one. All right.
There you go.
All right. It's
Evacuate.
the ground guy's problem now. Let's go.